The Israeli military has carried out a new round of deadly attacks across the war-torn Gaza Strip, including in Rafah, where over a dozen Palestinians lost their lives. Citing local sources, the Palestinian Rafah news agency reported on Tuesday that at least 14 civilians, including women and children, were killed and many others injured in overnight Israeli strikes on residential buildings in the Musabe, Kirbat al-Adas, and Al-Janena neighborhoods of the southern Gaza city of Rafah. The report also said that the Israeli bombing of a house west of the Nusayrat refugee camp in central Gaza left casualties. The victims of the aerial assault were taken to the Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital in Deir al-Balah, it added. The report added that Israeli artillery attacks targeted east of the Jabalia refugee camp in northern Gaza. Israel waged its genocidal US-backed war on the Gaza Strip on October 7th after the Hamas resistance movement carried out its historic operation against the usurping entity in retaliation for the regime's intensified atrocities against the Palestinian people. So far, the Tel Aviv regime has killed at least 31,819 Palestinians, mostly women and children, and injured 73,934 others. In a war crime, the occupying regime is intentionally starving the people in Gaza by destroying food supplies and severely restricting the flow of food, medicines, and other humanitarian supplies. A senior Palestinian official says Marwan Barghouti, a prominent Palestinian detainee, is being isolated and tortured by Israeli authorities. Hussein al-Sheikh, the Secretary General of the Executive Committee of the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO, in a Monday post on X, said Israeli authorities were endangering Barghouti's life. Sheikh said Barghouti was being exposed to isolation, torture, and attempts to coerce, humiliate, and beat him, putting his life in danger. Report by Press TV's website.